As with any new technology, there are some common myths and misconceptions about EVs that stand in the way of new adoption. We wanted to talk about a few things that people get wrong about electric vehicles and clear up some misconceptions. Here's another myth. EVs require more care and maintenance than a gasoline car. A lot of people worry that since electric cars are newer tech, they'll be more prone to repair and maintenance. We often hear people worry that since the electronics in their gas cars break so frequently, they can't imagine driving a whole electric car. However, EV maintenance is much simpler than traditional car maintenance. There are no oil changes, transmission fluid changes, spark plug changes, etc. Thanks to regenerative braking, the brake pads wear more slowly. Some Toyota Priuses with regenerative braking have the same brake pads after 100,000 miles. You still need to consider the small things like air filters, suspension components, and steering tie rod ends, and tires. But this minimal maintenance should only be half the price of a combustion engine vehicle. Over the vehicle lifetime, an EV can save up to $4,600 compared to a gas-powered car, not including the savings from gas. The only caveat is that some people find they have to replace their tires a little more frequently since EVs have more torque and are heavier than gas cars.